Hershey CEO, President, and Chair Michele Buck joins us exclusively now. Michele, great to have you. Welcome.
Good morning.
It is hard to sort of figure out what's going on with the core business because cocoa prices are weighing on profitability and there's still inflationary effects. What are you seeing from consumers? How's demand right now?
Yeah, so we had a strong 2023 with net sales up over 7% and EPS up over 12%. And we're really excited about 24. We are predicting 2 to 3% sales growth and a lot of exciting news coming into the marketplace behind a Reese Caramel launch and news across the business, increased merchandising. So from a consumer perspective, you know, we've seen good numbers on employment. Consumer confidence is improving. However, we are still seeing some consumers who are value seeking.
Yeah, tell us more about that, because it's been trying to find this dynamic for consumer companies between higher prices, but now sacrificing volumes, which you saw.
Yeah, absolutely. So, you know, we are really focused on how do we deliver the best value propositions for consumers. And for some consumers, that can mean an entry-level price point. For some consumers, that can mean, you know, a larger package that has a good value. And for others, it is what's important to them. News and excitement behind innovation, seasonal traditions that they enjoy with their families. And we've seen a lot of the growth on the business be particularly skewed to that for us. You know, as we look at those record cocoa prices, certainly it's a dynamic market and those are a challenge. But we have lived through market volatility and fluctuation in input costs before. We have a good hedging strategy and we have really good price visibility on those inputs into 2024.
What's happening with just snacking trends and people eating sweets? Because there was a little bit softer performance in North America, confectionery versus salty. How has it changed post-COVID and what are you seeing next?
Yeah, so I would say it is ever changing. And certainly we are seeing more of a reversion post-COVID back to more normalized behavior. People are out and about. So as we look across different channels, certainly some consumers are continuing to skew towards the value channels. But we have many consumers out and about who are also now buying in convenience stores as well. I'd say the value propositions are a little bit more stretched there than in some other venues.
Convenience and sort of other channels where the value consumer is going, that's where you see the challenge?
We're seeing growth in some of those value-seeking channels. So certainly we are trying to offer the best array of products with exciting news in every channel for whatever is important to that consumer at that point in time.
Do you see any impact of the GLP-1 drugs on the portfolio? Is it something you can see yet, or you're thinking about how that's going to impact?
We see no impact. As it looks to 24, we don't expect any kind of material impact. And going forward, the way that we view it is the consumer is always changing and evolving. And we are always looking at how we can evolve our portfolio to meet their needs. So we don't anticipate, we are closely monitoring it, but we believe we can adapt.